Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith of Smith in the Black, and we had a nice Powell day blaster. And so, it's quick, so if you didn't catch it, that's all right. It's the end of the month. So a lot of things happened pretty quick, but you want to be able to identify what was going on. So we've been looking at the monthly, right? Two down, two up, right? And we've been watching this broadening formation here, the higher highs and the lower lows. So we have that coming into the new month, we're a lot closer to two and up, right? So we want to be aware of that. And so if we go to the weekly, it was about a doji until everything started to kick in again. Then another two up here, and here's that broadening formation we're looking at here. So if we go to the daily, the Powell got the two down, two up reversal. Boom, back to a previous range. So the question was, we came in on a Monday, down, Tuesday, down, two down. And then the question was, we're going to come back ripping through this stuff, or did these become an outside bar of that, which it did. And so if you go to the 60, you're going to see this. Boom, inside 60 to the upside. Is that something we look for? The 312? Yeah, the good thing was it ticked down first and then regained continuity, full continuity to the upside. So when things started blasting off, and here, people are like, well, we're going to back off from here. I'm like, how are you going to turn this around, right? You still have full time frame continuity to the downs, to the upside. And then on the 15-minute, you can see the profit takey, right? And then boom, gone, all right? And so anybody who thought things were going to roll over here doesn't understand continuity. They need to understand that you're not turning this around anytime soon. And so, one of the things we look for is this. The slight higher high, Momo hammer. So anybody who got short in here thinking it was going to roll over got jammed right here, because you also have real buyers, because you have full time frame continuity to the upside and everything toing to the upside. If we go to QQQ here, the inside 30, the 212 measured mover blasting off. So if we go to the Qs, now you go to that monthly, here was a two up, and you're a lot closer to two and up again. And you can see those higher highs, lower lows as we start off the new month. So we'll see how that goes. So not a lot of inside days because of all the ripping, but some earnings. Splunker, which was having, so there's a lot of things that still have tough months, but Splunk up big after hours. We'll see how that goes. Okta Okta up big after hours. So we'll see, because this here now was a lower low on the month. Now you can have that 2-2 reversal on the first day of the month and have full time frame continuity back to the upside. Different ball game. SNPS here ripping after hours. We'll see how that goes, probably on the gap list. Snow was down but then came back, so we'll see how that handles that coming into tomorrow, if that's on the gap list. But you can see a lot of these things still have some problems on the monthly basis. So if snow can take this out to the upside, then we have something going 168, but you got some distance on that, otherwise inside month. You've got CRM was backing off just a tad. So you can see that these monthlies like Tesla, how are you going to take out the monthly highs in Tesla? You got some distance to do that. So we do have this on the week. Here, the two down, two up. So, and you got your slight higher highs in here, so it's trying to fight back, and you do have new continuity levels all day tomorrow. So our leader all year has been XLE, which didn't do much today. So we'll see if these guys want to come back. You have an outside day, you had like PXD down on the day, you had SU. So we'll see if all these kind of things start to come back with the market strength. If we go to Polaris, you got a hammer counter shooter. If you go to Walmart, was weak today, but then came back, potential hammer there. And it's some more retail, TJ Maxx. Here, another hammer, real tight range there, KSS. So we'll see if they come after any of these things that they didn't buy today, if there's more follow through in the strength. Stuff like PayPal. Here, that's been getting clobbered. Now hammers back up. And once again, now, if you go to your monthly, remember, we're coming to the end of the year too. If you can take that out, then you got all these months to go after, but you got some distance on that as well. So another thing that we can stay on too is the gappers from today. So CrowdStrike, look at this month. How are you going to turn that around? Well, you have new continuity levels, so you can be green on all time frames starting tomorrow. And here, two down, closer to 2-2 reversal if they want to bring it back up, so you can watch all them together. Palo Alto here also came back closer to the 2-2 reversal on the daily up. Cyber, like so. So we'll see if those guys come back. But most things went out near the highs, and the monthlies are going to be some issues. But we'll get to that and get to the weekend vid. Let them open. Let those earnings come out. Let them gap, and we'll see what kind of follow through we got. All right, that's going to be for today. I'm Smith the Black, the nightly vid.